Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder and then launch the Google application. After that, click on the right upper corner and tap into the settings. Now just tap to the voice and go to the voice match section. And now just to activate Hey Google feature, you should click here once on the switcher. Now just click here to next. Read the description, click yes, I agree, and tap to continue. And now if you want to set your voice model, here, click here to retail voice model, and now say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And now wait a second. That should take less than a minute. So we'll wait a little bit. Okay, and after that, when you'll just say the Hey Google or Okay Google, this feature will turn on. So now we'll just can see that the Hey Google feature is activated. And now, as can you see, I just say Hey Google or Okay Google, and the Hey Google feature is turned on. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.